Hello everyone, today I'm going to unbox or just show you about this knife, Fatmax Stanley knife. Comes at a price of 900 on Amazon, Flipkart and whatsoever. This knife is also known as foldable knife. It opens like this. It is quite sharp. You can use in daily use activities like cutting rope and many more things. You can also cut or unbox the boxes, cardboard boxes. It is also a very cool knife. It looks amazing. Its build quality is phenomenal. This punch hole used for holding like a key. Also you can open the it can be used as a bottle opener. Yes, it's after all a very premium knife. You can definitely check it out on Amazon. It feels nice and casual in hand, looks very premium. It is very sharp, handle with care. That's all. Thank you very much.